Hi there, students. Ever present, ever changing, ever growing, ever loving, ever busy, ever increasing, ever decreasing. So notice all of these phrases. I'm using the adverb ever. Normally it's ever and a hyphen and some sort of adjective, normally an ing. Okay, so this means something is happening constantly, all the time. So there is the ever-present threat of severe inflation. So if something is ever present, it's always present. The ever-present influence of Big Brother over our lives. The world is ever changing. It's continuously changing. Yeah. So the ever-changing landscape. As I drove across Europe in the car, I watched the ever-changing landscape. Ever-growing. This is an ever-growing problem, and we need to deal with it. So I think global warming is an ever-growing problem. It's an ever-present problem as well, and we need to find some way to reverse this. Yeah, the ever-growing number of people who don't have a job, the ever-growing number of subscribers to my channel. Yeah. Ever loving. Okay, so yeah, this is a present from your ever loving son. Okay, ever loving. Yeah, so will love you forever, loves you constantly. Ever busy. I'm ever busy. I've always got things to do. Yeah, this ever busy world of ours. Yeah, we are running around. Yeah, we are ever busy. I'm ever busy in this. Something could be ever increasing. It's always increasing. It's always growing. The ever increasing number of people who like to do this. The ever increasing cost of living. Yeah, how are we going to deal with these ever increasing prices? Okay, they're always increasing. They're always going up. Yeah, this is everlasting. Okay, this lasts forever. So this will have everlasting effects. It will continue to have effects continually and forever. Although unfortunately in our ever-changing world nothing is everlasting, everything is temporary. Okay, so yeah, at the end of the day nothing is everlasting. Okay, so ever, we're using this this adverb ever. Okay, it's an adverb, to say that this is something that's continually happening. It's constantly happening. It's happening all the time, and it will continue to happen forever. Okay, so there is the ever-present danger of bad weather. Yeah, this ever-changing world of ours. Yeah, the people seem to think that our economies will be ever growing. Yeah, I'm so happy about my ever loving students. Yeah, who are ever busy studying their English. I guess you could say ever studying as well. Yeah, the ever decreasing possibility that of success, the ever increasing prices. Yeah, prices always seem to go up. They're ever increasing. They never seem to stop. Okay, now formality with this ever construction. I would give this a 5 in formality. You can use it absolutely anywhere, so it makes it a very useful construction. And then ever itself comes from Old English. Okay, ever. yeah, which probably comes from Felth, meaning life or existence. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ever present, ever changing, ever growing, ever loving, ever lasting, ever busy, ever shrinking, ever decreasing, and any others you can think of. Bye for now.